I think we have to go a little bit up from your side. On the corner, go up so I can slide it out. We've got to be very careful. This thing is extremely expensive. We are removing the headliner of the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. So that's what we're doing right now. We just got to be careful with this thing because you don't want to damage it. As you guys can see, very large and expensive part on the Rolls-Royce, so got to be careful. Okay. I got you, don't worry. We're good. All right. Good job, Javier. Now, we took it out. After we are done with what we're doing on this car, we're gonna have to put this thing back. It's gonna be more difficult to put it back, so we gotta be careful. Oh my God, you're balding.
Yeah?
Very bad. You're losing a lot of hair every day. Well, we're gonna have one thing in common. It's fine, don't worry about it.
I know. I'm not worried about it.
No, your butt's bothering you, I can tell. You can't even put a screw, inside. You're thinking about your hair. It's fine, technology nowadays is good, so you can get your hair back. You just need a lot of money.
Alright guys, we have the C8 Corvette here. Again, we talked about this car on the previous episode. We are currently installing an air suspension on it. That's the big tank, it's going in the front. This car has a back compartment as well. They usually put it there. However, this is that hardtop convertible, so the top comes off and it goes in the back. We did not want to erase that from the car. So here's basically the air tank. We got the 2 compressors in there and the module. So all this stuff is being installed. The air shocks are on the vehicle already, so we're getting it all dialed in. We should finish it up soon. We got to do all the air hoses, all that stuff. But it's going to be a C8 Corvette. It already has wheels on it. It's going to get slammed on air suspension and be able to go up and down. We just installed an exhaust system as well. Eventually later on, we're going to do a wide body kit on this, so stay tuned for that. All right, guys, so this is the front driver's side shock with the airbag on there. As you can see, it says Continental Conti Tech on there. This is actually the bag, so this is actually deflated now. There's no air in it, so that's gonna inflate, and that's how the car goes up. It is mounted onto the stock shock, so the spring comes off, all that stuff comes off, and this airbag gets installed. Very clean setup. It's gonna be able to drive like factory and also have this really cool air suspension on there. So here's that Bentley. The customer didn't like the car, it was too low, so we raised it. Alright, this car is very tricky. It's got a very sensitive suspension. The customer wanted to lower the car more. It's pretty much maxed out. It is on air suspension. So we tried to go lower, the car freaked out, and this is what happened. We're gonna readjust it. Unfortunately, the car has like a maximum limit of lowering, and that's what we had on there before, so we're gonna go back to that. This is with the airbag completely filled up. So it's super, super high.
It's not letting you raise it. It's function currently not available.
Hold on.
Hey, don't do it. I'm doing something. We'll fix it. We'll play.
Okay.
Okay, but now let me just. Okay. Bro, let me consciously. Let me consciously. Bro, let me just do it. Hold on.
Yeah, he's sweating his hands.
Okay, hold on. Let me just check it.
car. Bentley Flying Spur, you guys already saw this on the channel a few days ago. And now the car is actually satin black. It's got the same wheels. We also added an OEM Bentley carbon fiber body kit. It consists of the front lower lip, the side skirts, the rear lower bumper spoiler, and a little trunk lip. Made the car look more aggressive. The whole theme of this car is satin black with gloss black. So with that gloss carbon fiber, which kind of looks like black, it ties in together with the grille and all that stuff. Looks amazing. This is a very, very good looking car. Drives really well as well. There's nothing really on the market for this thing for exhaust, so we also did a custom exhaust system. Not too loud, but something fun and enjoyable that's not going to be annoying for the customer. This Flying Spur got crazy traction on our Instagram, on YouTube. Everybody loved it, and now it's in satin black. Let's start it up.
Okay, Felixo.
1, 2, go. What the f?
He's locking it from there. Let's pop the trunk.
How?
I don't know. He's probably holding the lock button. He's pressing and also it's gonna break the car. Give me the manual. The manual, please. Alright guys, so this is our merchandise rack right here. We just got these hats in. They say the Rdbla as usual on the front, and on the side we got the checkered flag. So a nice little touch. It's not so basic. We wanted to add a little bit of something. A universal fit, fits on everybody. I'm wearing it right now. My favorite hat, literally. It's very comfortable and looks good. So this is online, the Rdbla hat with the checkered flags. Our original masks back in with the cloth, elastic, adjustable, and it has the Rdbla logo on the front that is glow in the dark. It's not completely dark out right now, but you can see it kind of glowing. So really cool effect. Limited amount. Last time we did these black masks, they went out like this. We're actually almost out of it again. So get online. We got the masks, we got the hats, we got a lot of other stuff online.
As you guys know, we had questions about our favorite cars, which cars we liked. I believe not over 100 grand. Stingrays, those are pretty cool. And I chose this car. This car really reminds me of a car that you can just basically drive every day. It looks really good. It's my favorite Corvette Stingray right now. The install is done. Now we have to work on getting the car to sit perfectly right. So we're not done with everything yet. Almost. We're about 85% done. Of course, you can't drive this thing right now. Let's see. All right. So let's use my customer papers that I write everybody's phone numbers with. This is my Bible, actually. So I write everything in here. Phone numbers and everything. I keep this for 30 days. And then I throw it away. This is probably... Hey. The only thing that's gonna fit in there. So until Javier is probably gonna be done with this thing tomorrow, connect everything else. So we bring this car up a little bit so we can make it drivable. Of course, the customer wants to drive it. He's not gonna just go park it. So we need to make it drivable, make it nice, detail it, and we should be wrapping this thing up pretty quick. Every day I write what needs to be done. So next day, so we don't forget. There's a lot of cars. We deal with too many. So I wrote something down here. You have to concentrate on this tomorrow so we can get this car done. Yeah. Okay, so Javier is a little interesting. These are not prescription glasses. He actually found these on the street and he thinks this makes him see better. Nothing to do with doctor, prescription, nothing. He just found these on the street somewhere and he picked it up and he thinks that these are glasses that make everything look better, but these are nothing. They're not prescription glasses, but supposedly it's better for him, so let's try. There.
Much better.
Much better, yeah.
Javier, make sure you finish
this
car ASAP.
ASAP. It's ASAP.
Okay, ASAP.
Good job.
Okay.
Good night. Get out of here.